With your Storm Team weather, here's Chief Meteorologist Aaron Ayers, sponsored by Jim Bass Cars and Trucks.
Well, it's summertime here across the U.S. in the Northern Hemisphere, so that means we're going to be watching the tropics over the next couple of days, and they've become a little more active here today. And as we go into the next couple of days, we'll watch for isolated summer storms that could be possible, especially as we head into this coming weekend. Sunny summer days ahead of us, otherwise near normal temperatures for us through the next 7 days. As we take a look at what's going on out at the airport right now, it's 98 degrees, feels like 97 with humidity at 26%. Winds out of the east-southeast at 11 miles per hour. Plenty of sunshine, a few clouds out and about across the area as well. Current temperatures across the Lone Star State, we're at 89 in Amarillo, 94 in Lubbock, 95 at Wichita Falls, 97 in Dallas-Fort Worth, 98 here in San Angelo, 103 down in Del Rio. So very warm spot down there in Del Rio, Laredo at 99 as well. Watching the tropics for us here across the Gulf of Mexico here, so definitely watching some areas. One that's really close to home here on the Texas Gulf Coast here, watching this area for a 20% chance of development. There's some scattered showers and thunderstorms out in the Gulf of Mexico, and that's moving our way, so that could potentially bring us a few isolated showers here to the Concho Valley as it moves through. Another area we're watching is down around Cuba. This area has also a 20% chance of development here. And what we're watching is that this is going to track into the central part of the Gulf of Mexico. And that's an area where it could develop even further as it tracks even further westward towards the Lone Star State. We'll watch that as we go through the next 5 days for the potential for development and for the potential impacts that it could have here in the Concho Valley. That area that we were watching out in the Gulf of Mexico, there it is with those showers and thunderstorms, and then some of those developing inland towards the Houston area. Some showers that are weakening here in the Texas Panhandle. Those are starting to fade for us here. And we even saw some isolated showers here in the Concho Valley this afternoon. Very small, very localized showers earlier, not seeing as much now on the radar, so that's good news for us. And as we go through the rest of the evening, those showers that do develop are going to start coming down for us by 8 o'clock. And then by the time we get into Tuesday morning, we're talking about some clouds over our southeastern counties. The rest of us are going to be pretty clear with temperatures in the 70s for all of us. And as we go into Tuesday evening, don't be surprised if we see a repeat of today where we see a localized shower or downpour on our Tuesday evening with temperatures in the 90s. By 8:30, temperatures in the 80s. And as we go into our extended future cast through the next 7 days here, watching that area of low pressure in the Gulf of Mexico bringing storms, could pop off an isolated shower here through Wednesday. As we go into our weekend, our next low pressure system from the Gulf of Mexico, watching this one as it moves in with Gulf moisture. Highs will be in the 90s. The low 90s possibly by the time we get into next weekend. So the rain chances look like this for us. It's not really impressive. Tuesday and Wednesday, an isolated storm possible. As we go to Saturday, that looks like the best chance right now. We'll continue to watch this as we get closer towards this weekend. A 10% on Sunday as well. And as we plan out our Tuesday, plenty of sunshine for us. Temperatures getting into the 90s by 4 o'clock with mostly sunny conditions. But for tonight, we'll get down to 72 degrees, mostly clear here in the Concho Valley for our Tuesday. 96, mostly sunny. Can't rule out an isolated storm here or there. The next 5 days in the Concho Valley look like this, with temperatures getting back to seasonable normals for us. Again, can't rule out an isolated storm in the Concho Valley through the next couple of days. As we get towards the weekend, we'll watch for more isolated storms as we go towards Saturday. We'll be back on KSAN News.